Seems like the world just can't get any crazier.
I know, right? We're in the middle of a pandemic and now we have rocks falling on us and creating boobs.
Nothing to quell our collective anxieties like space debris. Creating a sonic boom so loud that it wakes up Twitter.
Where this was like a really low, like boom.
Jenny Morber says she heard the sound from Bainbridge Island. Toby Logston from his home in Linwood.
Okay, it sounded like a gas line exploded or something like that.
Don't believe them? We'll take a look at this video from Scott Story, captured from a camera on his porch in Briar.
In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the street go by. The audio is actually 3 minutes later, the boom.
Turns out the American Meteor Society, a national nonprofit, tracks these events. A spokesperson says this was likely a random event unrelated to a meteor shower that's currently lighting up the sky around the world.
Well, I figured it was around 200,000 feet if it's 3 minutes, but I'm no expert.
As for altitude, experts at AMS say it was likely some 30 miles in the sky, on the upper cusp of the stratosphere, well out of range of commercial air traffic, but close enough to be seen and heard. That sound right there, a sonic boom, as the debris hits a speed of more than 760 miles per hour.
I went onto my obscurity cameras and just watched it for a few minutes, and sure enough, it was plain as day.
According to experts, hearing a meteor is extremely rare. Roughly 1 in 400 sightings include a report of sound. Catching it on video, well, that's a whole different story. Despite many reports of the boom on social media, the American Meteor Society says it only received 12 reports to its website, adding that's not enough to accurately gauge the trajectory. In Seattle, Sebastian Robertson, King 5 News.
And if you feel to do that, then Father help us. Oh yeah, dance all nice again. Gather round my friends, build back the fence. Tell them say dance all nice again. Whoa, tell them say dance all nice again. Dance all nice again. Go tell them say dance all nice again. Dance all nice again. Dance all nice again. Dance all redemption time, you know. A dance all revival. Champions no go down like that. Number one no fi make a bounce back. Now sit down and watch it stand as strong. Show the world so we better than that. Now touch them crack and cocaine. The Rasta man for them no can't cry shame. Now turn no black and sauce tomorrow. Fire upon them Sodom and Gomorrah. Wipe me name out of Babylon book. Set your trap but you can't get me hooked. Vampire system sucking the blood of the poor. And you still want war. Champions no go down like that. Number one no fi make a comeback. Now sit down and watch it stand as strong. Show the world so we better than that. Dance all nice again. Gather round my friends. Build back the fence. Tell them say dance all nice again. Oh, tell them say dance all nice again. Dance all Gun strings and employment, the ingredients. A killer recipe called more violence. Rasta man a walk on chalk line. Persecution at an all-time high. Come again, champions no go down like that. Number
Hey.